Here we are conducting a program for the chronic total occlusions. Chronic total occlusions are a type of blocks in the blood vessel supplying the heart, where the blocks are there for more than 6 months and where the blocks are very difficult to be treated with angioplasty. Previously there used to be only one option for treating these things, and that would be a bypass surgery. Nowadays, with more technological advances, we are able to open these vessels even with an angioplasty. That is where we are able to avoid a bypass surgery for these patients. Prime Hospital is doing this conference to bring together the experts from the various parts of the world who are experts trained in doing the chronic total occlusions, and then we have got all of them onto a platform to share their knowledge and wisdom with the physicians that are working in the interventional cardiology field in Andhra Pradesh. We have got the faculty from all over the India and also people from Japan and Europe and the US participating in the conference. This is a 2 days event followed by a 1 day where the session would be to educate the general physicians regarding this latest development in the field of interventional cardiology. The training provided would be in the techniques of angioplasty in treating these difficult lesions. These lesions are the chronically occluded lesions. That means the blood vessels which have been closed for a long time, these things almost constitute around 15% of the blocks that are seen in patients. But up till now, only 2% of them are being treated in India because of the lack of the expertise. So we now are providing a means for the interventional cardiologists to learn how to do these technically difficult lesions. So that is what we are providing in this course of the 2 days. This is a highly specialized event. That means only a very few people can come to this level where they can learn this technique. Around 100 to 150 highly qualified cardiologists from all over India are participating to learn these techniques from the Japanese and the Americans and the Europeans. Whatever is the block in the coronary artery, that can be treated with an angioplasty safely, effectively and inexpensively. That's what is the theme of this conference.